Before introducing 1991 Act, there are many problems in India. The Indian economy was mainly in the agriculture and rural in character. About 70% of working population was employed in agriculture. 70% of population in India, they are working in agriculture sector. About 85% of population was living in the village. There are 85% of population in India, they are uneducated, unemployment, they are dependent upon only agriculture sector. Next. After implementing the new industrial policy in 1991, FDI, foreign direct investment. A foreign direct investment refers to purchasing of asset other country. In 1991, the government implemented a new industrial policy. The business wants 91. The government implemented LPG. L means legalization, privatization, globalization. Next. Liberalization. Liberalization means liberalizing domestic business and industry from all unnecessary control and restrictions. The government unwanted rules and regulations that restrict their unnecessary controls and restrictions was demolished. Next. Privatization. Privatization is the process of transferring of ownership and management of public sector to private sector. Through the process disinvestment. The government in 1991, the government reduced their public sector and they implement private sector. They promote more to the private sector. Next. Globalization. Globalization means the integration of all various economic of the world, leading towards the emergency of global economic. The globalization means extending economic one country to another country. Next. Demonetization. In 8 November 2016, the Prime Minister of India, PM Modi, came and they told, आज से 500 और 1000 के नोट खत्म हो चुके हैं. Like that, the 500 and 1000 currency is demolished. Next. Impact of government policy change on business and industry. These are the points that government was implement. Increased competition. After implementing 1991 economic policy, they're increasing competition. They increase competition for technology to technology. They're copying and they're producing new things and they're increasing competition. As a result of change in the rules of industrial licensing and entry of foreign competition for Indian firms has increased, especially in service industry. More demanding customer. In 1991, they implemented LPG. Because of that, their customer was demanding more. पहले हम जो बिजनेस बनाता था वो बेचते थे. अब आपको जो कस्टमर चाहता है वो बिजनेस को बेचना. Rapidly change technology environment, increase competition force the firm to develop new ways to service and growth in the market. They are changing. They are keep on changing. They are adopting new technologies. They are innovating ideas. Next. Necessity for change. After coming 1991 Act LPG, the necessity for changing old technology to new technology, old to moderns. After 1991, the market force have become turbulent as a greater competence and greater commitment. Market orientation. In first changing world, there is a shift to market orientation. In market, the producer what produce the customer wants to purchase. Now, not like that. First the seller is the king of market. Now the customer is the king of the market. Loss of budgetary supports to the public sector. The central government budgetary supports for the financing the public sector or outlets and delayed over the years. After implementing 1991 LPG, that privatization is there. The budgetary support is less for the public sector. They are more focusing on the private sector.